to Alphecca. Today I'll show you how to create a professional Solana token with all advanced options included for just zero point 0.1 Solana. Before we begin, please turn on subtitles as this video is available in over 10 languages. You can also click the language button in the top right corner to use our website in multiple languages. First, navigate to the Create Token page. Then connect your wallet by clicking the Connect Wallet button in the top right corner. Now let's start with the required fields. Upload your token image by clicking the image area. Choose a high-quality image that represents your project. Next, enter your token name. This is the full name that will appear on Explorers and wallets. Then add your token symbol, a short ticker like SOL or BTC. Add a description that explains what your token represents. Set your decimals to 6 or 9, which are the standard options for Solana tokens. Finally, specify your total supply, the maximum number of tokens that will exist. Now let's add social links to build credibility. Toggle on the social links section. You can add your website URL, Twitter handle, Telegram channel, and Discord server. These links will be embedded in your token's metadata, making it easy for holders to find your community and stay updated with your project. Here's where Alphecca really shines. You can revoke 3 different permissions. Freeze authority prevents freezing token accounts. Mint authority stops additional token creation after launch. Update authority makes your token metadata permanent. Other platforms charge 0.1 Solana for each of these revokes, but Alphecca includes all 3 at no extra cost. Once you've filled in all details, click Create Token. Your wallet will open, and after approving the payment, your token will be created within seconds. You'll see a green success notification appear in the top right corner. To view your transaction details, click on the Transaction Logs section at the bottom of the page. Here you can see your transaction signature and token mint address. Click on these to view them directly on Solscan for blockchain verification. That's how easy it is to create a professional Solana token on Alphecca. All advanced features included for just 0.1 Solana, with transparent pricing and no hidden fees. Start building your project today with Alphecca's cost-effective token creation platform.